Hi, I'm Jenny with AquaPhoenix Scientific, and in this training video, we're going to talk about the Attachment Manager. So let's get started.
Images and PDF files can be stored into each database through the Attachment Manager. Afterwards, users can insert the files into any report. From the home screen, select a customer, facility, building, and system in the Customer Selection toolbar. You can navigate to the system quickly if you know the system number. Double-click on the system box, then enter a system number and click on Navigate. Once the system is selected, scroll down to the Tool section and click on Attachment Manager. Users will be able to see a thumbnail of each image attachment, the attachment description, subfolder location, name of the creator, and date of upload. Filter attachments by selecting a specific subfolder or by filtering by file type. There is a search box for filtering by file description. Users with permission can upload JPEGs, PNG, and PDF files to the Attachment Manager. Use the drop-down box on the top left to select which folder to upload to. There is a subfolder for every customer, facility, building, system, and component. Select the folder best suited for this file attachment. Once a specific folder is selected, the Add File icon will become active. Click on the Add File icon. Drag and drop the file into the window or click on Add Files to upload the file into the Attachment Manager. Please note the types of files and file size supported by the application. A watermark can be stamped onto the image file. Select Yes or No in the drop-down box to include the watermark to the image. Click on Upload All to upload file. Users can edit the file once uploaded. The file description can be updated, or users can rotate the image to correct the image orientation. There is a Favorite button on the very right of the attachment. Click on this to favorite a file attachment. This will keep the file displayed at the top of the list for easy access to the file. If the file is not attached to any reports, it can be deleted from the Attachment Manager. Click on Delete to delete the file. Any image or PDF file saved in the Attachment Manager can then be attached into any report in the site.
I hope you found this video helpful. Please contact your system administrator if you have any additional questions. Thanks for watching.